a gimme, Juanita. All he has to do is make his way to the other side of this mountain pass.
The shields on that turret are impenetrable. You will have to use an EMP to take them down. Defeating enemies automatically upgrades your Dread Zone weaponry and improves your maximum nanotech level.
If Ratchet was a tough cookie, what kind of cookie would he be? I'm gonna go with Snickerdoodle. This guy's gonna sell a lot of commercial time, Juanita. Let's just pray we don't have any more wardrobe malfunctions. As Team Darkstar continues toward the Catacrom Burial Dome, they'll need to cross what I like to call the chasm of endless falling and eventual dying. In the unlikely event that they survive, they'll take control of the big, bad, and burly walking armored tank called the Landstalker. Good luck, kids.
Ratchet, you will have to capture all 3 nodes to extend the bridge.
Remember, don't try any of this at home. Go to a friend's house.
Be careful not to stray too far from your partner, Ratchet. If you get too far apart, both of your collars will explode.
Ratchet's about to bite the bag and step out the door. That means die.
Ratchet, you can expand your map at any time to get a better view of the area.
Here's a chilling thought. Team Darkstar is walking on top of a giant robot burial ground.
Ratchet, according to Dread Zone show requirements, enemies appear red on the radar. Allies appear green. Challenge objectives appear blue. I am detecting a swing shot orb ahead. Jump towards it and hold down the fire button. Your swing shot will deploy automatically and carry you across the gap.
This all-terrain mech of destruction comes fully loaded with power steering, AC, jumbo-sized drink holders, and enough plasma mortars to take out a small star system. Team Darkstar's not out for a Sunday drive today, folks. They'll be blazing a trail right into the center of the Catacrom Burial Dome.
Ratchet, you will have to use the Landstalker's mortars to destroy those quasar orbs. That should clear the way.
Team Darkstar is breaking this place apart! What I want to know is how Ratchet uses the bathroom in that suit. Ratchet is on a rampage with the Landstalker. Oh, I can't imagine the damage-filled red zone is going to get for this.
You can drive over a vehicle pad at any time to repair vehicle damage.
And that Lombax is terminating with extreme prejudice. It's a good thing we're out of range, Juanita. We are out of range, aren't we? We are loving this carnage, folks, but it's time for the final showdown in the Catacrom Burial Dome.
Ratchet, you must defeat all your opponents in order to complete this challenge. In other words, stay alive.
Driving a mint-green Man Ray 5, please report to security. You're parked in my space. Team Darkstar is unstoppable.
Excellent work, Ratchet. I must admit, I was worried. Well done, Ratchet. You have completed your first Dread Zone campaign and won a medal. You have also unlocked a new set of objectives called Dread Challenges. Earning medals and defeating Dread Challenges are the key to survival in Dread Zone.